Now in this video I will discuss pressure exerted by liquids. Okay, pressure exerted by liquids. Now see, in case of solids exerts pressure only in downward direction. Okay, so if you put any object, any solid in a table or somewhere, that object will exert pressure only in downward direction due to its weight. Okay, but if you pour some liquids into a container, okay, then that liquid exerts pressure on all sides of the container. Okay, in case of solid exerts pressure only in downward direction, but in case of liquids exerts pressure on all sides of the container. Okay, you can see in the picture that the solids exerting pressure only in downward direction due to its weight, but the liquid exerting pressure on every direction, on the side wall of the container and on the base of the container. Okay, so liquids exert pressure on all sides of the container. Now the pressure exerted by liquids on the wall of the container is known as lateral pressure. Okay, as liquids exert pressure on all sides of the container, okay, the pressure exerted by liquids on the wall of the container is known as lateral pressure. Now, the pressure exerted by any liquid increases or depends on two factors or two parameters. Okay, pressure exerted by any liquid increases with the depth of the liquid or depth of the point and density of the liquid. Okay, suppose in case of same liquid, you can see here, see this point is, suppose the liquid, the highest level of liquid is 10 meter from the base of the container. Okay, now if you want to measure the pressure on this point, okay, this point is 4 meter above from the ground or from the base. Okay, so there is 6 meter height of liquid above that point. Okay, so this point is 6 meter depth from the liquid surface. Okay, or from the top. So pressure in this point will be lighter than the pressure in this point. That means that this point is in more depth. Okay, so pressure in this point will be more than that of this point. Okay, so pressure exerted by any liquid increases with the depth, and second is density. That means in case of more denser liquid, or in case of denser liquid, in case of denser liquid or more dense liquid, the pressure will be more. Okay, that means in this point, in case of water, what will be the pressure? In case of water, if we measure the pressure, you will find that in case of water, in this point, the pressure will be less than in case of mercury. Okay, that means if you pour water in the container and if you measure pressure of any point, then you will find that the water poured container the water will exert less pressure than of mercury, because water is lighter than mercury, or mercury is denser than water. Okay, so pressure exerted by any liquid increases with the depth, and second is density. Pressure depends on these two factors, and pressure is independent of the size and shape of the container. Okay, no matter what is the size or shape of the container, it depends on two factors, that is depth and density. I hope you understood. Okay, if you have any problem, please let me know.